Hi, Dave here for RealWheels Corporation with a look at our American-made Ford Transit stainless steel vent and grille overlays. You'll be impressed at the upgraded appearance these easy-to-install accessories give your Ford Transit. These accessories are precision laser cut from heavy-gauge, high-quality, non-magnetic 304L stainless steel for a perfect fit. Plus, they will not rust, pit, corrode, or turn yellow. That's why we are able to offer a lifetime guarantee on the workmanship and their mirror shine finish. First, we have the Ford Transit front vent overlay. These two areas of all Transits are only available in black plastic from the factory. By adding these vent overlays, you'll set your Transit apart. If your Ford Transit came with a black plastic grille, you can easily upgrade to a mirror shine finish with these stainless steel grille overlays. Both overlays install easily with heavy-duty 3M tape. Simply coat the areas with the included 3M tape primer, remove the backing from the double-sided tape from the overlay, and carefully place the overlay in position. Push and hold firmly for a few seconds. It's really that simple. To enhance your Ford Transit even more, see our videos on our line of Ford Transit wheel covers and simulators for single and dual wheel Transits that fit 16x6 steel wheels. For more information, visit our website at RealWheels.com or give us a call at 1-800-982-1180.